when your life is placed in danger, whether as a civilian or a police, you have the right to defend. And if your life is in danger, kill the idiot in front of you, or you will die as an idiot. At yung kriminal, malayang must have the satisfaction of doing his thing.
Okay. Yun po ba, as a lawyer, yun po yung inyong alam tungkol doon sa elements ng self-defense?
Ibang ano ma'am, performance of duty, yung self-defense,